Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by validating legality and seller agreements. This avoids takedowns. Once done, allocate seed capital and open a separate business account so payments and taxes stay clean. Next, choose 3 to 6 SEO tools that cover keyword research, backlink analysis, and site audits. This combination drives demand. Then pick a hosting plan and basic CMS so you can deploy fast. Make sure to document supplier contacts and licensing terms before you accept members. Now you craft the operational backbone: workflows, automations, and pricing. Design 3 tiers that align with tool access and usage limits so clients see clear value. This improves conversions. Then automate account creation, license rotation, and recurring billing to reduce manual work, and integrate a help desk for support tickets. Make sure access is secure by enforcing MFA, rate limits, and session expirations. Also set up monitoring and backups so you can restore service quickly if a supplier changes terms. You launch with a controlled beta to validate demand and smooth user experience, gather feedback, and iterate fast. Once stable, scale by onboarding new tool vendors, recruiting affiliates, and running targeted ads to SEO pros. Track churn and LTV to refine pricing and retention strategies. If you encounter supplier bans or legal pushback, stop new signups, issue refunds when required, and pivot to alternative vendors while communicating transparently. That preserves trust and lets you recover without losing your core user base.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.